To create a form, you have to go to the left menu Forms, then goes on Forms, and you will arrive on this list of pre-existing items. So we got you a template for registration form or satisfaction survey. So we are going to create a registration form. So we have to duplicate it, clicking on that. And then your form has been duplicated, so you can start editing it. So you arrive on the setting of the page. We're going to click on Setting, Form Settings. Here we can change the title of your form. So let's say this is an event in June and this is a kickoff meeting. Okay. Then you go down. I would recommend you not to change all this thing because this is already charted. And save the settings. Then we are going to edit the form with all the fields. So you can click on Edit. Then you arrive on the different fields and construction of your page. So we already inserted some fields: automatic, salutation, names, email, etc., the location. But you can customize your form by adding some fields. You got the choice on the right side of your page. So you can add this one. So just click on it and drag the field to insert it on your form. And click on it to edit. So we are going to put a question. So I will attend the event, whether you got two options. So you got edit choices. So whether online or on site, let's say in Marseille. You can remove the next one and just close it. You can then or add other fields or duplicate this one if you're happy with the type of fields, and again customize the field label. Let's say we want to put a condition on this survey. So as example, if you're organizing a dinner or workshops and you want people to register, but you want only people who will attend online on-site to be answer this question. So at the very end here, you got a conditional logic. You enable the condition logic and you select that show this question if the question I will attend the event is in Marseille. So it will show only if the answer at the question you selected here is this one. Okay, and also to make a field compulsory to answer, you have to click on the WCAG rules. So you can see there is a red item appearing, and this is how you know that this is a compulsory. Once all your fields are okay, you have to save the forms, and then you are going to set all the other confirmation and notification. What is the difference between confirmation and notification? Actually, the confirmation message will be the one that will appear just after the participant click on submit the form, and it will be displayed on the very same window, so on the Explorer on the browser window, while the notifications are emails that the participant will receive with, let's say, confirmation of registration, or maybe a link to the online meeting, or all other information you may want to send them. So this is the confirmation. So you have to edit it for this form. The confirmation is made for each form. And so here we can customize your message and just save the confirmation. So you got two notifications already ready. The first one is a notification for the administrator. So this is basically you, that with the subject new inscription to this form. And the second one is the one for the registered participant to receive at his email. So you have to customize those one. So the first one for the notification administrator, you don't need to update the name. You only have to send to change the already written name. So let's say this is project name and the rest is okay. It will be sent by WordPress, so you don't have to change anything. And this is only say hello. Here are the datas for the form. This is literally the translation into French of the form. You don't have to touch it, and then just update the notification. Why? For the notification of the registered people, so this is this one, registered, okay? It will be sent to the field email the participants wrote into the form. You have to change the email, so this is, you will choose the email you want the participant received the notification from. And also that in case of reply, he will send his email to this email address. Then the subject of the email, so let's say this is, I am on the Kunun project, so Kunun's meeting, and you can customize it June 2004. You can write anything you want, and then here you got the message the participant will receive. So basically, this is automatic, okay? And then you can customize that, okay? With obviously changing the link for the online meeting, if any. This is everything you have to customize. This is a program old one, so you have to do that. And you can also put a conditional logic. So let's say that you will create a notification for participants attending online. So let's say you will send them directly the Teams or Zoom meeting, whatever you're organizing your meeting on. For this one, so it will be, I will attend the event online. It will be this form. So you will update the notification, duplicate one, and put other information for the ones attending on site. So it will be like in Marseille, so they will receive different information. Let's say with practical information for hotels, for restaurant, for travel accommodation, etc. So you can put anything you want, customize it here, and you have to update the notification.